In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update pages in Durable AI. By the end, you'll feel confident making quick changes, refreshing your content with AI, and keeping your site looking consistent and professional. First, access the editor. Sign into your Durable account, then on your website preview, click Customize. This opens the live editor, where you can work directly on your page. Think of it like editing a slide. What you click is what you can change. To edit text and elements, simply click on any headline, paragraph, button, or image. An editing menu will appear for that specific section. From there, you can replace text, update button labels and links, or swap images. Make small edits and check how they look right away so everything stays aligned and readable. Durable also gives you built-in AI tools to speed things up. Highlight any text and choose the AI prompt tool to rewrite content, shorten it for clarity, or adjust the tone to match your brand, whether that's friendly, professional, or bold. It's perfect for polishing copy without starting from scratch. If a section isn't working, you can regenerate it. Select the section and click Regenerate to have the AI create a new version of the content. Review the result and regenerate again if you want more options until it fits the message and style you're aiming for. Next, tailor your site's look with the customization panel. Here you can adjust colors, fonts, and button styles across the entire site. Keep your choices consistent to strengthen your brand identity. One set of colors and a readable font pairing will go a long way. If you need more pages, go to the Pages area in your dashboard. Add a new page like About Services or Contact, give it a clear name, and start customizing it just like your homepage. This keeps your site organized and easier for visitors to navigate. By the way, since this is a web platform, the link to Durable is at the top of the description, so you can jump in right away. A few quick tips as you work. Hover over any area and watch for the blue line. This shows what's editable. You can add, delete, or rearrange sections to refine your layout. Use Preview to see how everything looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile, so your design is consistent across devices. And remember to save frequently to make sure your updates go live. That's it. Simple, fast, and powerful. If this helped, don't forget to save your changes and keep exploring the editor. Thanks for watching.